write about it. It should have the connection.
Hi, everybody. My name is Carolina Carner, and I am a teacher from Round Rock, Texas. And I obviously love Google Expeditions. And I'm all about making an expedition super useful in classroom instruction. So what did I think to do? I thought, oh, I'm just going to use a Google form as an anchor activity in between each scene to check for mastery to see that my students are learning something from the expedition. So my students got to do the major human organs AR lesson. And what we did was they got to see, a liver floating around. They got to see a heart floating around. They got to see a brain floating around. And what I had them do was they identified the organ and then told me which body system they thought that the organ came from. And this is a great introductory activity to do if you're starting to learn about the body systems. So just to check and see how my students did, you can see that a lot of the students understood what the major organ was, and they could even go along and answer what they thought the body system was that organ was a part of. So once again, Google Forms is just an awesome way to check for understanding to make sure that a student has understood the expedition that they've just been on. Here you can see the Google form up during the expedition in the classroom. You can see one of the students viewing one of the major organs using the AR marker. And then there's another example of another student viewing an organ in class. So automatic engagement.
Ah. Ooh. Traveling inside the